In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Windows shortcut for Webflow. If you want quicker access to Webflow on your Windows 11 computer, a great option is to install it as a desktop-style app directly from your browser. This gives Webflow its own dedicated window, which can feel cleaner and more convenient than opening it in a regular browser tab every time. In this example, I am using Google Chrome, but the process is very straightforward. To begin, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC and log into your Webflow account. Make sure you are fully signed in before moving on, because the installation option works best when the page you want is already open and ready to use. Once you are logged in to Webflow, go to the top right corner of the Chrome window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main browser menu where you will find several options related to sharing, saving, and installing websites. From that menu, hover over the option labeled Cast, Save and Share. When the submenu appears, click Install Page as App. This tells Chrome to create a separate app-like version of the Webflow page you currently have open. After you click that option, a small pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, you can choose the name you want for the shortcut or app. A simple name like Webflow works perfectly since it keeps things easy to recognize later. After typing your preferred name, click Install. At that point, Webflow will launch in its own standalone window. It will look and behave more like a desktop app than a normal website, which can help reduce distractions and make it faster to access your workspace. Windows will also automatically create a shortcut for it and pin it to useful places like the Start menu and the taskbar, so you can open it quickly whenever you need it. Now minimize your windows and return to the desktop. There, you should see the Windows shortcut that was created for Webflow. That means the setup is complete. And from now on, you can launch Webflow directly from the desktop shortcut, the Start menu, or the taskbar without needing to search for it in your browser each time. This is a simple way to make Webflow feel more like a native app on Windows 11 while keeping your workflow organized and accessible. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.